I mean, we can go further. Welcome back to the Fagan Dynasty. We're a blended family of 5 sharing the laughs, the chaos, the milestones, and the everyday moments that make this journey completely unforgettable. Come along for the ride. What happened? Your face? It's a scrape? Who scraped it? That? She look with one bow. But she look cute in her pants though. I thought it would look weird on her. But they actually look nice. See?
Do you think it's a share giant Karate Kid?
You don't know fashion, you know? What's wrong with you? You don't know fashion at all. Oh, what? You're tired?
I'm not tired. I'm if you tell them to start it.
Turn. Bye. Huh? Watch out, baby.
Come this way, the car.
You want to hold his hand? And he going all the way back, you know. So guys, we're trying to catch the fireworks because where it actually is going on, it's chaotic with police and all that kind of stuff. So we kind of turned back and said we're going to stay from afar and capture what we can capture because
yeah, gotta be an eyeglass out there.
like the crowd. The crowd is severe and
they come like some roach. They have the yard. They have work tomorrow.
Oh, right.
Yeah, man,
Stop talking about the people like that.
Yeah, man, the eagle, man. Any out there in the idea already, we want to stay out there in the night.
So hopefully we can. I still hear fireworks going, but it's not like the big ones that we can see in the sky.
We see one big one, but she missed it.
Yeah.
As a blogger.
Are you coming for me?
No.
Don't come for me. Don't come for me. Oh, I thought I heard one. Come on, guys, we really didn't celebrate the 4th. Like, yeah, it's not our thing.
Yeah, they celebrate Juneteenth.
Who didn't celebrate Juneteenth?
No, I never celebrate Juneteenth.
We supposed to celebrate Juneteenth,
yeah,
but we didn't this time.
Yeah, we never celebrate Juneteenth. Yes,
last week we were supposed to.
You see, you know, black people are not ungrateful.
We do.
Ungrateful. Last year Juneteenth you know celebrated. This time Juneteenth we not worry about World Cup. We're not ungrateful.
Yeah, most people was.
Yeah, ungrateful.
World Cup stuff.
Sometimes not to know one team not even the day play on the day. I'm ungrateful. But I know the World Cup still go on and watch it and we don't want to celebrate what 4th of July. Make it make sense. You see it ungrateful.
I don't know. I don't think a lot of people celebrated 4th of July.
Then they are boss saying one day we have a day for ourselves and never celebrate. They're ungrateful.
There is people that celebrate. Did you see that girl that went to Miami to celebrate and they hung her?
One next.
That's not one. People celebrated. She went to celebration for it and then they hung her.
How she celebrated?
No, it was just obviously it was like a hate crime. They found her hung in the forest and tried to make it as a suicide, but we know it wasn't. She literally went to Miami just to celebrate Juneteenth, and she was found hung from a tree. Crazy, huh?
So slavery just upgrade. That's all.
Whatever. Not the controversy over here. Okay. Thank you.
Still a picking our field, but we are picking our warehouse.
Whatever. I don't think we're gonna find any.
Them say they missed that one shot. No. Unless you catch on car fire and make it explode and make one good one. Happy Juneteenth.
That was June 19th. Today's July 4th.
I'm not care, still Juneteenth for me right now.
Whatever, guys. Independence Day. This is the A bit. This is a quick pop.
Wait, save, I'm coming. Wait.
She's scared.
What Ali on? Ali, what are on?
It's okay, Mama.
One more. I think one more. One more. One more. Yeah, me tell you when you can show just so yeah, line up. One person focuses. They literally focuses on one focus right there. We have somebody right there for focus. Definitely. And when we did leave out over here, so most I shot there for every tree right there. Like a competition in the fun, we can go see a beast.
Yeah. What happened, Mama?
Alright.
Hold hand. My baby's
So you
scared.
have the side here and the side here can focus right. Be up there. You know me see when the missile go up and I see me see when the missile go up that when we turn around fast so we see when you just have fly go up. Like you literally see when I something and fly go up before you bust. You see that? Nice.
As we watched the fireworks light up the sky, I couldn't help but to think about how every season brings a new beginning. This one feels extra special because we're so happy to be sharing our family's journey with you again. Thank you for spending part of your day with the Fagan Dynasty. Whether you've been with us from the beginning or you're just joining our family, we're so glad you're here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more laughs, milestones, and everyday moments as we continue doing life together. Until next time, from our family to yours, take care and God bless.